What's up, YouTube? Got something new in from my M1000R. Let's check it out and see what we got. Alright, carbon fiber piece with the air cooling ducts on it. Good piece. Actually, good quality. Only thing is, right in here, I gotta get the tape when they taped it off. Gotta get that off. Get like a little X-Acto knife to get that out. But yeah, no imperfections so far. Hopefully this fits on there. I actually ordered it off of Amazon, so if you put in the search bar M1000 carbon fiber front fender, it should pop up. At the time I paid like about $5.50 for it, which is not bad compared to some of the other name brand carbon fiber pieces. But anyway, when you order that, you have to get these. Now you wait on here, and it's like the like this piece here, so we get that. Kind of like the M1000 RR, the 2023 version. That's what this already on it. So interesting to see how it'll look on this bike. There's the piece to hold that on right here. I believe it sits under on the actual brake caliper holder, and this piece sits down here like that. And I guess we'll figure it out. There's no direction, so I think it kind of has that piece and that piece that goes there like that. So alright, so we'll figure it out, and we'll get it put on the bike. Alright, okay, so you grab this piece here and this piece here. This piece goes behind here like that, and hold it with your hands back here. It sits up here like that, and there's what, 5 screws to go up there. So this one I can get a little bit tighter than the other side. The other side is kind of hampered by the ABS wire over there. I'll show you when I'm done. So I already put that side on to see what I need to do. But see, that one's perfectly tight, just like that. So I wonder if it's going to be a fitting issue. I guess we'll see when I'm done. Grab these long ones. There's 5 of them, and I believe they are T15. So you want to start up here, start getting these in. I don't want to do it too tight because you want it to be even. So I'll grab a bottom one over here, make sure it's even until they stop. No directions on it, so I really don't know what to torque it down to. So I'm gonna just go with hand tight for now. I don't want to use any Loctite, because if I need to take this off to mess around with the brakes or anything like that, I want to be able to do that without stripping the bolt. Perfect, tights. Looks like that, like so. Sure the screws line up, and this one is held in by this top one is up here. It equals up. It's held by the stock screw, because it comes with 3 of these for 1, 2, and 3, and it comes with a little washer. So use the washer and screw them in. So that's what I'm gonna do. And hand tighten it in so it stays on. I'm glad that the hardware is black. Some of the other kits come with it. Should put the middle one on first because it's going in kind of crooked. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna unscrew. Alright, so it's better. And the thing with these carbon fiber pieces, they're not cut properly. You could be have to measure them up. Okay, there we go. Tightening this up. Make sure you're as tight as possible. This thing don't fly off on the road. This might fit on there. I don't know. I might have to get rid of that. My slab protection in the front. I don't know. We'll see if these screws line up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take this off. See if we get a better fit. Alright guys, so you see, finally tightened it up. Got it on. We're good to go. So yeah, and I did have to take off my slab protection. It sucks, but got the frame sliders, and then we got the rear. So hopefully we don't go down because my slab protection is gone. But we got this one here, so it looks better. Go check this out outside. God, this thing can move. Love this bike. Most all-around bike I ever had. Heated grips, cruise control, speed. Looks okay. There it is. It's good outside. All the carbon on the bike. So that's that piece right here. Good outside, shining right in the light. Make sure I ain't got brake leaks or anything like that. And everything is good. Yeah, see, I was worried about this. I guess you would say left-hand side of the bike, the clutch side, because the ABS wire sits like right in there. So this is good. No ABS light or nothing like that. Or this piece off of Amazon. It was like $500 ship. which isn't bad at all. It came under a week. It got delivered to my house about under a week, so that's not too bad considering I think it's from like China or somewhere or something like that. But it looks good though. You can't tell a difference between the BMW carbon fiber or this one. So for the price the Ellberger Carbon is charging for this piece, they're charging about $1,500, I believe, just for the this piece down here, this lower piece, and then this is another $1,000 or so. So basically saved myself about $2,000 after shipping and tax and all that. Next pieces I'm gonna order would be this inner piece up here, and then this lower piece down here, and then I'm gonna get the belly pan, carbon belly pan, and then what else? I believe that's it with carbon. Yeah, and there's some pieces right here, but I'm gonna just leave that open. And I'm thinking about getting the clear cut cover for that. And then I'm thinking about switching this out to like a SE Project. I never had SE Project before, so I'll try their slip on, see if I like it or not. Now, this is plenty loud though, so I don't need to do it, but I just kind of want to see if I can get a different sound out of it. But yeah, so this is it. Outside, my other mods right here, I got this carbon fiber wind deflector. This is the larger size. It kind of gets the wind off my chest, so it's pretty good. Evotech Performance brake guard, and also it has a dual feature. This is actually a bar and weight. These I got off of AliExpress. They fold down and up like that. They're actually pretty good. They don't vibrate as much as the stock mirrors do. Got the quick action gas cap from TWM. Evotech frame sliders and rear spools. I had them on the front, but like you see, I had to take them off because this piece down here sits lower, so you can't really. It is hot. My legs are burning. Can't fit any slab protection in the front because this thing sits somewhat lower. I mean, kind of just for style. I like it. I like the way it looks, especially with the carbon wheels. It looks pretty cool. Axle sliders. This carbon piece at the top and at the bottom. This is from Ellberger Carbon. As you see, it matches exactly to the BMW carbon. I have I ordered this from AliExpress too, the front header. So, and that's pretty good. It's actually turning real blue from being titanium. So that's it. Like I said, next thing I'm gonna get is this inner piece in carbon. You get the frame protectors, I guess they call it, in carbon, and then the belly pan. And I guess I will have to order stickers for that lower piece, and then I'll order the stickers for down here. You can order from BMW, or there's other sites you can order them from, and then I'll be good. This bike would be set. I don't know what else I could do to it. The next thing would be switching the brakes. I'm more concerned about the suspension and the brakes. I really do not like the rear suspension at all. It's too bouncy. I don't know if it's probably because I got it in race mode, so I'm gonna try the different modes and see if it's different. But yeah, I'm not really liking it. And you hit any imperfection in the road, it's bouncing up and down. It's not stable like other bikes I've had in the past. Yeah, so that's pretty much it with that. I'm gonna probably get a seat cover too. Louis Mode sells that. Probably get that, and then this bike would be complete. No need it because it comes. You pay a little extra. It comes with the extra carbon pieces. This is it. Here's that lower piece one more time. The upper piece and the lower piece. That's all I got for you guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one.